If you're experiencing login failures in GTA 5, particularly with the error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media pages to check if the GTA Online servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Game Launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Update your game and system. Make sure that both your game and your gaming platform PC, console are fully updated. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve connectivity. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Rockstar Support for further assistance.